In the bustling city of Building Time, where structures grew as rapidly as ideas, a band of unique construction vehicles geared up for their biggest challenge yet. Each machine had its own story and personality. There was Rusty, the dependable dump truck with a hearty laugh and a heart of gold. Turbo, the speedy and sometimes impulsive excavator. And Smarty, the ever-clever crane with a penchant for detail and precision. Together, they formed an unstoppable team, ready to tackle even the toughest projects. The construction site buzzed with activity as Rusty groaned under the weight of gravel. Turbo swiftly maneuvered around obstacles, and Smarty deftly balanced beams in place. Their mission? To construct a towering skyscraper that would redefine Buildington's skyline. Everything seemed to be going according to plan until they encountered their first unexpected obstacle, an ancient underground stream. The stream threatened to flood the site. "It looks like we need a smart solution," Smarty pondered, stretching its long arm into the air. "Perhaps we need to divert the water." The team sprang into action, combining their unique strengths. Rusty hauled heavy pipes to the location as Turbo dug a channel. With lightning speed, while Smarty carefully positioned barriers to guide the flow. After hours of cooperation and problem-solving, the site was safe from the impending flood. Just as they celebrated this small victory, a new challenge appeared. A sudden windstorm blew in. The windstorm threatened to topple the half-completed steel frame. "This is going to take precise coordination," warned Smarty. Without hesitation, each vehicle took its position. Turbo quickly scooped heavy materials to stabilize the structure, while Smarty used precise movements to anchor it with cables. Rusty supported by delivering sandbags to weigh down the base. As the winds howled, the team moved in near-perfect synchronization, saving the project from disaster. With each challenge, the trio grew closer, learning the value of trust and teamwork. They communicated seamlessly, turning potential calamities into opportunities. Through broken pipes, electrical shortages, and material mishaps, their shared laughter and the rhythm of their engines filled the site, embodying the spirit of persistence. As the last beam was placed and the final touches completed, the skyscraper stood tall, a testament not only to architectural achievement. The skyscraper was a testament to the camaraderie and innovation of Rusty, Turbo, and Smarty. They had proven that together, with a little creativity and a lot of teamwork, no obstacle was too big to overcome.